Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it and let me try to... Okay. So basically, all we have to do is to first of all make sure that you are on the picture mode, so you will be able to take a photo, and then enter the settings which are in this configuration in the left lower corner, but basically in the upper corner. So all we have to do is to find the self timer, and as you can see we've got 3 different options, so off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the specific option, so I'll choose 10 seconds delay. Let me go back, and now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see your device will count down from 10 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn this option off, just enter the settings, tap on the timer and choose off. And after getting back, you can see that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.